subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The user manual for SM-J720F, which is expected to debut as Samsung Galaxy J7 Duo, has been published on Samsung's official website, and it reveals that the device will have a dual rear camera setup that can do live focus bokeh shots. It also have a Bixby and a removable battery. The leaked official user manual for the device reveals many details related to software and hardware features. One of the most interesting additions is the removable battery. The Galaxy J7 and its previous J series components have sealed-in batteries. The next up is the Bixby edition. This will be the Samsung's first Bixby-enabled mid-range smartphone. Since there is no physical Bixby button present on this device, it's likely that the Galaxy J7 Duo will have only Bixby Home and Reminder. If this phone is anything like the Galaxy J7 Plus that launched in a few Asian markets last year, then the two cameras should be 13 megapixel and 5 megapixel sensor, with the second camera enabling to capture live focus bokeh shots. The rest of the phone's specification should have a 5.5-inch 720p HD resolution display with 16:9 aspect ratio, Exynos 7885 chipset, 3 or 4 GB of RAM, at least an 8 megapixel front-facing camera with LED flash, dual SIM functionality, a fingerprint scanner, and Android 8.0 Oreo. So, what do you guys think of the Samsung Galaxy J7 Duo? Do let us know in the comment section below. And as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. And for more tech updates, subscribe to our channel TechSole Blog. Thank you and see you guys in the next one.